Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the Casio MTP-1302. It is one of the most popular budget analog watches from Casio, besides the MTP-106 Marlin. It looks good. The fluted bezel looks a bit like the Rolex Datejust. The case feels solid, the finishing is nice, and the bracelet is very good. For the price, the value is excellent. I have had this watch for more than 1 year. I wear it quite often, and it has never disappointed me. Of course, now it has some scratches and wear marks, but that is normal. Today, I want to show you its close relative. This is the Casio MTP-1335. The model is less popular and not many people know about it, but I think it looks really cool. It also has a day of the week window, which I really like, and in my opinion, the watch deserves more attention. The case size is almost the same as the MTP-1302. The case diameter is 38mm without the crown, and then lug-to-lug is 44.3mm. Thickness is 9.7mm, a bit thicker than the MTP-1302. With the stainless steel bracelet, it weighs 107 grams before resizing. For my medium wrist, the size feels perfect. Casio says the case is ion-plated metal, but they don't say the exact material, so it is probably not stainless steel. It may be some kind of alloy, like brass. If you know more about this, please share it in the comments below. Thank you. The finishing is very good, as expected from the Casio MTP series. There are no sharp edges, and the mirror finish looks clean. The detail level is similar to the MTP-1302. On the right side, there is a push-pull crown for adjustment. The bezel is clean and simple, and this gives the watch a different feeling compared to the MTP-1302. I think this one looks more subtle and classy. On the front side, the crystal is mineral glass, which gives some scratch resistance. There are several versions of this watch, and this one is the 7AV version. It has a textured silver dial and only one number at the 12 o'clock position. Around the dial, there is a 60-minute or second scale. It also uses applied indices, which makes a more expensive look. The hour and minute hands are tapered, almost like sword-style hands. They have lume, so you can see them a little in low light. It also has red tip on the second hand, looks good. And there is a day and date window at 3 o'clock position. And if you want to know, the ticking sound of this watch is quiet. To adjust the watch, pull the crown to the middle position. Turn it up to change the weekday. Turn it down to change the date. Pull the crown all the way out to set the time. And after that, don't forget to push it back fully. The Caseback is stainless steel and uses a snap-off design, so it's possible to change the battery ourselves, but not very convenient. The lug width is 20mm, so you can easily change the strap if you want. And this is the bracelet. It is a 5-link folded plate bracelet with different pattern from the MTP-1302, but the quality feels the same. It is quite thick and feels solid. The sides are smooth, and it is stainless steel with a mix of polished and brushed finish. The bracelet is 20mm at the lugs and tapers to 18mm at the clasp. To resize it, you need to remove some links. You can find many tutorials online or just go to a watch shop. The clasp is a basic triple fold clasp with 4 adjustment holes. One thing to note is that compared to the MTP-1302, the bracelet has longer links but more flexibility, so it is more comfortable for smaller wrist. This watch sits nicely on my medium-sized wrist. The size is just right and looks well balanced. It also feels comfortable, not heavy and not too big, and it doesn't try too hard to look like a Rolex. On the positive side, number 1, affordable price, very good value for money. And then it has nice design, clean, simple and classy. Number 3, it has reliable quartz movement, low maintenance, and the battery lasts around 3 years or more. And then 50 meters of water resistance, good for daily use and light water activities. And then day and date display, which is very useful for everyday wear. Compared to the MTP-1302, it has a weekday window, and if you like textured dials and bigger hands, this one may be better for you. On the other side, here are the things to consider. Number 1, the materials are good but still basic, iron-plated case and mineral glass. And then number 2, the clasp and bracelet are simple. Number 3, the box is very basic, not ideal for a gift, as usual with the MTP series. And number 4, the lume is limited, only on the hour and minute hands. I'm not sure if this model is available in all countries. You might need to check with local dealers. But if you find one, it is worth checking out. So if you are looking for a classy looking Casio analog watch with a metal bracelet and 50 meters water resistance, I really recommend this model. Thank you for watching. I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews and setting tutorials. See you in the next video. Have a great day.